point right now is the next step is to tighten up the connection between the muffler and the tube. As you can see, there's another C-clamp in here that we placed before we inserted the muffler, and we're gonna put it on top of here. See, this is here, so we're gonna put it in top so it covers the junction, and we're gonna tighten it up with the 5mm Allen key. So you see, and here we have to make sure it's pretty tight, so we make sure it's air tight, so we avoid any gas leak, you know, any fume leak, or any exhaust leak, whatever you want to call it. So okay, all right, okay, okay, I think I cannot go anymore, so it's pretty tight, I guess. There you go. Make sure it's tight. All right, so it's tied up there pretty much. Go around it. Okay, let's make sure it doesn't go backwards, forward, oh, upside down. There you go. It doesn't move. So I believe we have airtight C-clamp in there. Okay, look. So let's go for next step.